The doctor said, everyone has bad days. You just need to get up and get on with it. I wrote, lol, thanks, doctor. And this is the thing, right? Like, so many people are like, oh, your program costs money. And it's like, yeah, because it costs money to actually create and make. And the amazing team that we have, needs to eat as well. And the funniest thing I think is, like, people are paying doctors literally hundreds and hundreds of dollars to be told, yeah, everyone has bad days. You just need to get up and get on with it. So you're walking out, you've just paid money, and you're walking out feeling more hopeless, more depressed, more upset, more lonely, and getting nothing for it in return. And like, even that one, like, it's all in your head. You need to exercise more. It's just crazy. And so, some people who have just found us recently, or stumbled across us, and they love our free content, and they join our program or want to join our program, and they go, oh, it's a bit expensive. And I'm like, not really, when you compare it to going to the doctor's clinic and getting no help. And then you come with us, and like Cindy, being told she can't fall pregnant, falls pregnant, pays off all her debt, and starts living her life again. Pretty good. I think that's a pretty good return. It's very affordable in that sense. So I got nothing wrong with that. Let's see. You should stop worrying and just start exercise. After being admitted to ER with no answers, that's pretty bad. So yeah, she was told you should stop worrying and just try to exercise. I don't know why doctors think that exercise is the answer to this. Like, clearly. Yeah, another one, just exercise. Yeah, okay, I'll exercise away my chronic fatigue syndrome, this person said. It just doesn't make sense. What else? Everyone gets tired. You just have to push through. Again, I feel like so many people are told this. So hopefully this, you guys listening to this right now is actually helpful for you, because you're not alone.